If you guys are doing marketing, for example, you are a social media marketer or SMM, or if you are a funnel builder, take the course. It's a great complement or addition dun sa skill set nyo. And if you have this knowledge, mas mapapadali yung deployment mo sa funnel because now you have the technical knowledge, the back-end knowledge kung paano siya i-deploy. I know some of you are doing funnel building sa website, no, website builder. You can still learn and use marketing automation. Explore nyo lang. We all start there. Ako, dyan din ako nag-umpisa. Nag-umpisa ako sa hindi ako marunong. And the only reason na na-learn ko siya is because I deployed marketing automation sa negosyo ko. So I believe I'm the first business dito sa area namin, or maybe in the Philippines, that has digital loyalty system. So yung loyalty system namin, they can register using Messenger or SMS lang. Hindi na nila kailangan mag-download ng app. And then through that digital loyalty system, I know kung are they new customers, are they returning customers, are they loyal customers, and itong mga customer ba to is nag-churn na, kailan sila hindi nakabalik sa store, and I have a way to retarget them and send broadcast messages directly to their phone. So we are the first to do that dito sa area namin. I did that using marketing automation.